Guys, before anything else, take a look at this video. It has reached 5.9 million views in just 3 months. Based on typical monetized performance, the creator has likely earned between $3,000 and $4,000 from this single video alone, which is an impressive result. Right next to it, there's another video with 2.4 million views. If we estimate its earnings, this channel is currently generating around $1,500 per month despite using a very simple content strategy. Now, let me show you another channel that follows the exact same concept. This creator is generating approximately $3,000 per month using the same style of videos. If we look at their most popular uploads, they also have multiple videos reaching millions of views. Here's a third channel. Once again, it follows the same process and is generating around $1,800 per month. One of its videos has already crossed 5 million views. As you can see, all of these channels are monetized. None of them are relying on risky methods or unmonetizable content. If we analyze the concept behind these videos, it's surprisingly simple. According to available estimates, this creator is currently earning around $1,700 per month. You can verify these numbers using Social Blade or any similar analytics platform. Now, if we look at how these videos are actually created, the process is very straightforward. The creator uses simple stickman characters, static images, text overlays, and basic 2D animations. As you can see on the screen, they bring images to life with simple motion effects and combine them with text-based storytelling to generate millions of views and real revenue. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Make sure you do not skip this video because I also have a special free gift for you, a completely free AI image and video generation tool. I may reveal it at any point during this tutorial, so stay tuned. Every part of this guide is important. I'll show you how to generate video ideas, create scripts, generate voiceovers, create images, and put everything together step by step. So let's get started. I have already prepared a complete master prompt for you. This master prompt includes video ideas, scene structures, voiceover styles, image prompts, and everything else you need. You won't need to search for additional prompts or use any complicated resources. The link will be available in the description. First, copy the video ideas prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will create 5 different categories, each containing 10 video title ideas. From those titles, simply choose the one you like most. For example, in Scene 5, titles 8, 9, and 10 are excellent options. You can select any title that best fits your content strategy. Once you've chosen your topic, move to the docs file where you'll find the video script prompt. Copy it and open Claude AI. We'll be using Claude because, in many cases, it generates stronger storytelling scripts than ChatGPT for this specific style of content. After logging in, paste the script prompt into Claude. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the video idea you selected earlier, and paste it into the designated section of the prompt. Click Generate. As soon as you do, Claude will begin creating your script. The process usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes, and once completed, your script will be ready to use. Next comes voiceover generation. For this step, we'll use a completely free tool. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. After logging in, navigate to the text-to-speech section. You can either use a quick start template or choose any voice you prefer. There are several excellent male and female voices available. Once you've selected your preferred voice, return to Claude AI, copy the entire script and paste it into Google AI Studio. If you're working with a long script, you may want to generate it in smaller sections to speed up the process. Full-length scripts can sometimes take up to 10 minutes to process, but the great thing is that it's completely free. Now go back to the docs file and locate the voiceover style instructions section. Copy those instructions and paste them into the style section inside Google AI Studio. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The voiceover creation process usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes, and just like that, your professional voiceover is ready. Now it's time for the image generation stage. For image generation, we're going to use a completely free workflow. First, we need to generate our image prompts. To do that, go back to the docs file and locate the image prompts section. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then return to Claude AI and copy the same voiceover script that we generated earlier. Paste it into the script section of the image prompt and click Generate. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate part 1, which contains 25 image prompts. These prompts are usually enough for 1 to 2 minutes of video content. Below that, you'll have the option to generate part 2, part 3, and so on. Simply continue generating the remaining parts until you have all the prompts needed for your video. In total, there are 9 parts available, which are enough to create a complete 10 to 11-minute video. Once your prompts are ready, it's time to generate the images. For this step, we're going to use Flow AI. Open Flow AI and select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then choose the Nano Banana image generation model. Copy your image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start processing. Within a few moments, you'll have a high-quality image ready. The results are usually very impressive and visually appealing. Now select the best image from the generated results and use it as your reference image. Simply upload or paste it into the reference image section. After that, start generating the remaining images one by one. Copy each prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Generate. Continue this process until you have all the images needed for your video. The more relevant images you have, the better your audience retention will be because viewers will constantly see fresh visuals on screen. As you can see, the images are being generated one by one, and they're looking fantastic. I usually download each image as soon as it's generated and continue with the next prompt until the entire set is complete. Once all the images are ready, we move on to one of the most important parts of the entire process: video generation. Make sure you do not skip this section because it plays a major role in the final quality of your content. For video generation, we're going to use TikTok Creative Symphony, a completely free AI video generation platform. Simply sign in and create a business account. You'll receive a verification code through the email associated with your TikTok account. After logging in, you'll automatically receive 1,000 free credits, which is more than enough to get started. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll see the image and video generation tools. Open the video generation section and select the image to video model. Upload your first image. Now it's time to generate video prompts. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create video prompts based on your image prompts. Once the video prompts are ready, copy the prompt for scene 1 and return to TikTok Creative Symphony. Select your preferred duration. You can generate videos up to 10 seconds long. Paste the prompt and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the first video will begin processing. The platform usually creates very high-quality results, and the best part is that it's completely free. A 10-second video typically costs only 10 credits. Since you receive 1,000 free credits, you can generate approximately 100 videos without spending anything. Within a minute or two, your first video will be ready, complete with smooth motion and professional-looking animation. Continue the same process for all your scenes. Upload an image, paste the corresponding video prompt, click Generate, and repeat. This was the free gift I wanted to share with you because most creators never reveal tools like this for free. Now that all the videos are ready, let's move on to the final and most important stage: editing. This step is critical for monetization. If you skip proper editing, your chances of getting limited monetization increase significantly. For editing, simply open CapCut or any other free editing software. Import all your videos, images, and voiceover files into the project. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. Then remove any unnecessary pauses or gaps in the audio to maintain a smooth flow throughout the video. Next, begin placing your video clips on the timeline according to the script. If needed, you can also use static images alongside video clips. In my example, I accidentally generated some content in 9:16 instead of 16:9, but that's not a major issue. Simply continue arranging everything scene by scene. For static images, apply keyframe animations. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the image, move slightly forward on the timeline, and add another keyframe with a subtle zoom effect. Repeat this process for all static images. This simple technique makes the visuals feel alive and much more engaging. After that, go to the transitions section and apply a black fade transition between clips. Then add background music that matches the mood of your script. Lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. If you want, you can also generate automatic captions directly inside CapCut. Once everything is synced properly, export your video in 4K resolution. And that's it. Your video is now ready for upload. Create a channel in this niche and stay consistent with your uploads. Before I end this tutorial, I want to say thank you for watching. Everything shown in this video was done using free tools, and I'll continue bringing more free methods in future tutorials. If you found value in this guide, make sure to watch the video until the end. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Also, comment below if you'd like a complete follow-up tutorial covering channel creation, logo design, voiceovers, scripts, SEO settings, and the correct way to upload videos. If this video receives at least 30 comments requesting SEO training, I'll create the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.